UI label in using UIKit. Today I am going to discuss about UI label in using a UIKit. What is label? UI label, a view that displays one or more line of informational text. A view that displays one or more lines of informational text. So first of all, we're gonna drag up UI view controller. First of all, we drag up UI view controller. We're gonna drag up UI view controller and UI view controller. We're gonna drag up UI view on a view controller. UI view on a view controller. We're gonna apply the constant of on UI view 0 0 0 and this is a 0. Apply this constant, we can set this UI view. This is a container view. Container view. We're gonna write up a UI label on a view. We're gonna write up UI label. We can apply this constant is horizontally and vertically center on a view. We can apply the constant horizontally and vertically center on a view. UI label. We can set this text. This is a label. This is a label. We can change this font. We can change this font. This is a stylish bold and this is a heavy and this is a heavy and this is size of 20 to font size and font system is title and subtitle. Font system is title. It's done. So this text alignment, this is horizontally vertically center is alignment. We can change the text color. We can change the multi-line text field. This is one text field and this is the check this one. This is the label and this is a using UIKit label. We can run. This is a one line text field. This is one line text field. This is a 4 line and this is the 4 line text field. We can set UI label on a view controller. We can set a view controller. This title and we can say we can run UI view controller. View controller we can run. So UI view controller we can iPhone 11 we can run this dynamic view controller and this is a title view controller we can run. This is a slowly run. We can run it slow on a view controller. We can run it UI view controller is multi-line text field and multi-line use. We can check this mark. We can apply this constant on a view and view controller. We can change this iPhone 11 and iPhone 2nd generation. We can change this title, configure the constant. We can apply the constant. We can apply the constant is 20 and this is just 20 width and height is the 30 100 and we can this is the top is 20. We can set this title label. We can set this title label. We can this is the multi-line with 4 text field in view controller and and this is a four line of Oliver four line. You can set this four line, and this is a one line, and this is a text change is one line. We can set it one line. This is a five line. We can set it five line text. We can change this shadow on it. Shadow on a title label change and the highlight for this is one color highlight, and we can also this is the background color is changed. For this is the yellow color. We can change the background of title and tint color. We can change the tint color. So we can change this text color. We can change this text color just red color from the text color. This is the title label. What is UI label? A view. This is the title label. A view that displays one or more line informational text. This is the informational text. This is a informational text. Text. So this is the informational text, and so we can change this properties and outlets